In your Success Center account, you can view a list of project tickets associated with the deployment of your solutions and interact with iLand's deployment team on any open tickets if you have admin or technical permissions. To do so, click on Project Tickets on the left-hand navigation bar. You will see a complete list of your current and past projects, including the name, status, and creation date. You are able to click into any of the projects for review. But if you have an open one and would like to interact with the deployment team, you can do so by clicking on the associated ID. Within the project page, you can see the contact name for the person listed as the primary contact within your company. You are also able to see the historical communications between the iLand team and your company. The Attachments tab will reflect any attachments that have been provided throughout the project. You can click Add Comment at the top to respond within the project to your dedicated deployment team. Just fill out the fields and click Submit. If you need to add an attachment, you can do so by clicking Upload Attachment at the top as well. Please note that this is only an option within an open deployment ticket. Success Center is just one more way that you are able to stay in contact with our deployment team to ensure that your solution is up and running as soon as possible.